scared. I don't want to do it. Oh, fuck.
There goes your car. That went out really fast.
It's so awesome.
How about I put this bottle on it?
It's on fire underneath the light.
Yeah, those are just the underglow lights.
Look at this, lucky ass.
Ready? I'm doing it again.
Pour some more fuel on there.
Oranges?
Hold on. Yeah. Orange.
You got the orange tint in it.
Hurry up, it's gonna go out. Oh, it didn't even light.
Ready?
There you go. The fuel bottle's right there. That one might explode actually.
Yeah,
Pour some gasoline on that.
I didn't.
Go through it slow.
Where's the helmet? Put the helmet on and burn the helmet. You just burn the helmet.
Oh, fuck.
Holy shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It won't go out.
It won't go out.
Don't melt that helmet, dude.
Whose helmet is that?
That'll make a big old nasty pile there.
Holy shit.